This video is to help you navigate through the pattern and learn some tips and tricks for making the Layla Stitch Sampler Crochet Scarf Pattern. This is an easy and relaxing crochet zen project featuring 5 simple stitch patterns. It would be just as pretty in a solid color as well as in the unlimited variations available to you when you combine up to 5 color stripes. You will need 1,420 yards of number 3 DK weight yarn or 284 yards each of 5 colors. The sample is shown in Be So Baby yarn, which is my number 3 DK weight milk fiber yarn, and it is shown in the 5 colors salmon, gold, turquoise, prince, and indigo, 2 balls each. You will also need an H8 or 5mm crochet hook to make this beautiful wrap. You can find videos on how to style this wrap in a bunch of different ways, and also a separate video on how to weave this in and out for a beautiful interwoven scarf look. I'll post both of those video links in the video description. Also, Be So Baby yarn is available in 60 colors, and I've curated several different color combinations, I believe 28, to show you some different types of color inspiration for pulling 5 colors together to make the Layla crochet scarf unique to you. Let's start by going through the pattern here. As you can see, every row is written out in detail for the entire project, and also it comes with a detailed chart. What I'm going to do is read the chart to you side by side with showing you how to do the stitches for each of these 5 sections of the project. We're going to start out, and this is what your work should look like at the end of row 35. You could fasten off now, but we might as well stay attached and turn our work so we can work along the row end stitches here of our whole short edge of the shawl and work our fringe edging. So what I did on mine is I matched the colors of each of these stripes with their fringe. So I'm going to show you how we continue on with our 5th color indigo here to do the fringe for this section. Then I'm going to fasten off and join the next color and continue on in this super simple edging. So when you're working along the row end stitches, you're going to want to work, we're going to work 2 single crochets in each half double crochet row, double crochet row. In each single crochet row, we'll work one single crochet. In each treble crochet row, we'll work 3 single crochets, and that'll make more sense as we go along here. So we're starting with this half double crochet row end, so we're going to single crochet in that row end stitch, then chain 15, single crochet in the 3rd chain from your hook, chain 12, and then work a 2nd single crochet in that same half double crochet row end stitch, chain 15, single crochet in the 3rd chain from your hook, chain 12, and then single crochet in this double crochet row end stitch. So that's our first single crochet. We're going to do that again, so it's chain 15, single crochet in the 3rd chain from your hook, chain 12, and work a 2nd single crochet in that same double crochet row end stitch, chain 15, single crochet in the 3rd chain from your hook, chain 12, and we've already done 2 single crochets in that same row end stitch, so we'll single crochet now in the next double crochet row end stitch. Then we'll do all of that a 2nd time in that same stitch, chain 15, single crochet in the 3rd chain from your hook, chain 12, and single crochet a 2nd time in that same row end stitch. So you're going to want to repeat this all the way across in the same color. When you get to the end of this color, fasten off, join with a slip stitch with the next color, and continue on working in this established pattern until you get all the way down to the beginning. Fasten off. Then you're going to want to repeat all of this on the opposite side of all of the stripes. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all, please leave them for me in the comments. Everything we talked about today, you can find as links in the video description below. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. I'll see you in the next video.